Chapter 1. Food Production in Plants. Important Terms. Node, a lump or knot. Pigment, coloring matter. Maximize, increase, penetrate, enter. Stalk, stem, ecological. Related to nature. Cell, minute mass of living. Starch, food stored in plants. Regulate, control. Plants are essential for our existence. They provide us food, fuel, oxygen, and clothes. We use wood as fuel. We use wood for making furniture and tools. Plants range from very small green planktons in the sea to huge coniferous trees in the hilly region. But all plants have a common feature of producing their own food in the presence of sunlight. Structure of leaf. A leaf is an outgrowth from a node on a plant stem. Leaves of different plants come in different shapes and sizes. They are often green in color. They are flat and broad to maximize their surface area for the capture of energy from sunlight and exchange gases that are used in the process of photosynthesis. The lamina is an expanded portion of a leaf. They are flat and green. The stalk or stem that connects the leaf to the plant is petiole. The tip of a leaf opposite to the petiole is called apex. A midvein or midrib can be seen running through the middle of the leaf. A number of side veins are attached to the midvein. These veins provide support to the leaf. They help to carry water from the roots to the leaves and transfer the food made in the leaves to all other parts of the plant. Structure of a leaf. Side vein, apex, lamina, midrib, petiole, node, stem. Factual scope. The leaves of a plant are also known as food factory as they produce food using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Look at the microscopic view of cross-section of a leaf. There are number of layers of cells inside a leaf. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that exists in these cells. The leaf looks green because of the presence of chlorophyll. A leaf absorbs energy from sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. The lowest layer of cell has many small openings called stomata. Singular stoma. The stomata are guarded by the guard cells. The guard cells regulate the opening and closing of the stomata. During photosynthesis, a leaf takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water vapor through stomata. The cross-section of leaf as seen under a microscope. Stomata, guard cell, cells containing chlorophyll. Food process in plants. Plants need different things to make their own food. Chlorophyll. It is a green pigment which is found in the leaves of a plant. Light. It means sunlight. Carbon dioxide. It is one of the many constituents of the air. Water. Plants absorb water through their roots. Nutrients and minerals from soil are absorbed through the roots of a plant. Plants make food in their leaves. Chlorophyll present in green leaves changes water, carbon dioxide and minerals into food starch in the presence of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Leaves prepare food. Carbon dioxide, sunlight, oxygen, sun, water and minerals. How do plants use their food? Plants use the food in a number of ways for their survival and growth. They need food to repair worn-out cells and build new cells. Factual scope. Water and minerals flow upward through the roots into the stem of the plant and then into the leaves of the plant. Plants release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Oxygen is necessary for survival and growth of animals and human beings on the earth. Plants store their extra food in leaves, stems and roots. This stored extra food is known as starch. We use these parts as our food. Food production in some unusual plants. Some plants such as mushrooms, mouse and fungi are non-green plants. They do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot make their own food. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Mouse, mushrooms, fungi, croton plant. The leaves of some plants like croton appear dark red. This is because of the presence of a red substances. This is because of the presence of a red substance that hides the green chlorophyll. So, in the presence of sunlight, these plants are able to prepare their own food. Plants like dodder and marble are not able to make their own food. They are dependent on other green plants. They develop special roots which penetrate into the host plant for their food. The food is generally stored in the stem or the roots of the dodder plant. Leaves of cactus plant get reduced to spines or thorns. Therefore, their stem contains chlorophyll. The process of photosynthesis and storage of food occur in their stem. Generally, cactus is found in desert area where very less amount of water is available. In the absence of water, cactus uses the food stored in fleshy stems for its growth and survival. Deodar plant, a marble, desert plant, cactus. Relationship between plants and animals. Animals and plants depend upon each other for their survival and growth. Animals need food to eat and oxygen to breathe. Plants provide oxygen and food to animals. Plants need carbon dioxide to prepare food. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants and animals are interdependent. This carbon dioxide is used by the plants in the process of photosynthesis. Thus, we should maintain a balance in nature for the survival of both plants and animals. We should participate in all essential activities to preserve and protect both plants and animals so that ecological balance could be maintained. Fact file 1. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June all over the world. 2. The stored form of sugar is called starch. 3. One Mahotsava program helps to promote the planting of trees. Teachers note: take the children to science laboratory. Help them how to see the internal parts of a leaf through a microscope. Let's summarize. 1. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants make their own food. 2. Plants and animals are equally important for each other. 3. Water, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll are necessary for the process of photosynthesis. 4. Winds enable leaf to distribute water and food within the leaf. 5. Stomata help in the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. They also give out water vapor. 6. Some unusual plants such as mushrooms and fungi do not have chlorophyll. Unit 1.